This video walks you through how to prepare financial statements in Xero. Begin in the top navigation bar and click Reporting. From there, open the financial report you want to prepare. This could be the balance sheet, the profit and loss report, or another financial statement available in your Xero account. The main goal at this stage is to open the specific report you want to work with before adjusting any settings. Once the report is on screen, move to the top of the page and click the Date field. Choose the reporting date or financial period that matches the statement you need to prepare. This setting controls the time frame shown in the report, so make sure it reflects the correct period before continuing. If you want to view the report beside another period, use the Compare with dropdown. Select the comparison period you want to use, or leave it set to None if you do not need a side-by-side comparison. This step is optional, but it can be useful when you want to review changes between periods without opening a separate report. Next, click the Currency dropdown and select the currency you want the financial statement to display. This matters if your organization works with more than one currency, or if you need the report presented in a specific format for review or export. Check that the selected currency is correct before moving on. If the report supports additional filtering, click Filter to narrow the results using the options available for that report. The exact filter choices can vary depending on which financial statement you open, so look through the available options and apply only the ones that fit what you need to see. After the date, comparison, currency, and any filters are set, click Update. Xero refreshes the report using the settings you selected. If the page takes a moment to reload, wait until the updated figures appear before making any further changes. This helps confirm that you are working with the final version of the report settings. If you want to adjust how the report looks or what it includes, click More to open additional report options. You can also use Edit Layout and insert content at the bottom of the page to customize the report's appearance and contents. These options are useful when you need the financial statement arranged in a particular way before saving or sharing it. When the report is ready, decide whether you want to keep this set up for later or download a copy now. To reuse the configuration, click Save As and store the report with your chosen settings. To download it, click Export and then choose the format you want to use. That gives you either a saved report setup inside Xero or an exported file you can use outside the platform. Your financial statement is now prepared in Xero and saved or exported with your selected report settings.